Lance Ulanoff, U.S. Editor-in-Chief for TechRadar, here with Larry O'Reilly, who is the CEO of ARHT Media, which has something called Holopresence. And you're actually not here, are you, Larry? You're not with me.
Well, I'm here in Toronto, but I'm also with you in New York. That's the beauty of my bits are with you.
Your bits. Well, I'm so glad you said that, and I did not say that. So I've had the rundown of this technology. You look to be about 6 feet tall. You look like you're more or less here, but you are standing in sort of this Holopresence setup, which is totally portable, folds down. It's about 10 feet wide. It's got a mesh screen that I was told is both reflective, but it also is semi-translucent, so I of course can see through it. But you seem to have sort of a solid feel, like even though I know I can't.
The whole idea.
Right.
What we're trying to do is create the illusion that I'm actually physically in the room with you. And you're right, I am 6 foot tall, and I should appear as though I'm 3D, even though I'm not 3D.
Yeah.
And probably most importantly, there's like very little latency between you speaking and me speaking and back and forward, so the conversation becomes pretty natural.
I'd say the latency is about half a second. That is not bad. Round trip. That's pretty good.
0.3 seconds each way.
Okay.
Anywhere on the planet.
That sounds pretty good. And you know, I understand that this is both for businesses, enterprise, but you have done some consumer work. I heard about this really interesting story where you brought a bride to her wedding. She couldn't be there.
We brought a bridesmaid to the wedding.
Okay.
So, because of COVID restrictions, the bride's best friend was stuck in London, England, and the wedding was happening in Niagara. And so the bride, as a surprise to the bride, the groom had arranged it. The bridesmaid got dressed up, full bridal outfit, glass of champagne. After the first dance, she beams into the wedding to do a toast for her best friend and everybody else, and was fully interactive with everybody at the wedding.
Yeah, that's pretty cool. And you know, I understand that there's different sizes. You know, we're doing sort of the 10-foot size, but you guys do larger sizes. You can do panels. You can do stage presence stuff.
Yeah, I mean, the core of our business is really, large-scale presentations to larger in-person audiences. But we also have an online platform called Virtual Global Stage, and it accounted for about 60% of our revenue the last couple of years. As you can appreciate, there really haven't been those big, large gatherings. So, but what we can do with Virtual Global Stage is capture people in different parts of the world, put them on a virtual set together where they can interact with one another with really no noticeable latency.
Yeah.
So it looks like a television production at a fraction of the cost.
Yeah, it's pretty cool. I did see some of it in action. So I only have one more question for you. So there seems to be a bit of a Star Trek influence here. I mean, Beam In is Star Trek, and the animation, the way you do it. I mean, you don't just have people pop in. They build from the bottom up, but they have all that sound. So are you a Star Trek fan, Larry?
Well, the reality is that we often get compared to either Star Trek or Star Wars, where certainly we have that futuristic feel. The animations can be customized. We work with AT&T when they use the AT&T logo and a big swirl to bring in with it for AT&T 5G HoloVision. So for example, last weekend at the Final Four, we had D-Wade appear to interview just before the game.
Oh, very cool. All right, well, this was great. Thank you so much for letting me check it out. I'm going to hopefully try it. They're going to let me beam in, so we got a little bit of that. But it is cool, perfect. Really fun technology. So thanks again.
It's a pleasure to meet you.
Nice meeting you. Fantastic. I'm here, or I'm there. I'm virtually somewhere. This is awesome. Eat your heart out, Star Trek fans.